increase your sales and tips about that, and also why you are not making sales, if that's your situation, is what I want to talk about in this video. But first, make sure that you subscribe if you want more tips like this. One reason to why you're not making as much sales as you would like to could be a lack of consistency. Maybe you have a great strategy of marketing, but you're not doing it consistently. You're not doing it enough, and maybe you're in a in a hurry to show your offer to your prospects. Maybe you're moving too fast to reveal your product and how good it is. Another issue could be that, do you really know all the features of your product? Do you know your product, what it can do for people, what it could help people with? You gotta sell that to your customers. What will it help them with? Why do they need to in fact buy your product? Why is your product so great? You shouldn't say that it's so great for starting off a conversation, because you gotta brand yourself, you gotta have a dialogue with your prospect, almost become like the best friend or something, create a relationship. Of course you want to make money, but through email follow-ups and so on, share a lot of value, so they don't see you as someone that just want to pitch them at once and put link into the faces, and then later on you can share your product, that you have discovered this awesome product that this does this and that, and it helps you with doing this and that. And you should use the product yourself, because if you're not using the product and just promoting it, then well, that's not gonna provide a good message to your prospects and so on. So, and it can also be how you show yourself, for instance on videos and so on. If you feel because of you struggling with sales, you may feel down on yourself, and even though you try to look happy and so on, maybe that shines through, that disbelief or so, and that you feel a bit down on yourself. So try your best to motivate yourself, and also to stay in a positive mindset and so on. So otherwise, when it comes to making sales, not everyone, you're not the only one that if you struggle to make sales, you're not alone. That quite many are that, but you can also should be willing to invest in a course by someone who's really good at making sales, because we always have to learn more to move forward. So that's another option as well, to make more sales. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this advice and tips on how to make more sales. And below this video I have left a link to my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money online, so feel free to check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.